Upgrading server memory can be a daunting task, but ATEC aims to simplify the process with their 32GB DDR4 ECC unbuffered RAM kit. Designed specifically for Dell PowerEdge servers like the R250, R330XL, R350, T140, T150, T30, T340, and T350, this kit promises a performance boost and enhanced reliability. The kit consists of two 16GB modules, operating at a frequency of 2,666 MHz, PC4-21300. The fact that it's ECC unbuffered memory is crucial for server environments, as it provides error detection and correction capabilities, minimizing the risk of data corruption and system crashes. This is not your standard desktop RAM. It's built for the demands of a server workload. Installation is straightforward. ATEC claims it can be done at home without requiring specialized expertise. Of course, users should always consult their server's manual for specific instructions on memory installation and channel configuration. The modules are designed to be JEDEC compliant, operating at the standard 1.2V, ensuring compatibility and energy efficiency. ATEC emphasizes that their memory modules undergo rigorous quality control testing. This is essential for server components, where stability and reliability are paramount. The company also backs its product with a limited lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind for users. Furthermore, they offer tech support to assist with any questions or issues that may arise before or after the purchase. For Dell PowerEdge server owners looking to expand their system's memory capacity, the ATEC 32GB kit presents a compelling option. The ECC unbuffered feature, combined with the 2,666 MHz speed and ATEC's quality assurance, makes it a worthwhile upgrade for improving server performance and stability. It's a simple and effective way to breathe new life into your Dell PowerEdge server.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.